Today we explore how the Great Pyramid of Giza was built. Egypt has around 118 known pyramids, but this one is the largest. Constructed about 4,500 years ago and originally standing 146 meters tall. Built in an age with no cranes, engines, or modern machines, its creation relied on decades of planning, precise stone cutting, massive limestone blocks, wooden sledges, and thousands of organized workers. In contrast, modern giants like the Washington Monument and the Eiffel Tower were completed far faster because of advanced machinery and engineering technology. The Great Pyramid of Giza contains several precise internal structures. The Grand Gallery rises 8.6 meters high and runs 46.7 meters, leading to the King's Chamber, built of red granite and measuring about 10.47 meters. Above it lie 5 relieving chambers. The Queen's Chamber, around 5.75 meters by 5.23 meters, with a 6.2-meter vaulted height, held symbolic or ritual importance. Ventilation shafts provide airflow, with the King's Chamber shafts opening outside. Built 4,500 years ago by Pharaoh Khufu, its purpose was to serve as his eternal tomb. As Egyptians strongly believed in the afterlife, they thought the body must be perfectly protected. So they built the pyramid with unmatched skill and utmost effort. The construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza started around 4,500 years ago under Pharaoh Khufu. First, the land was carefully selected and prepared, ensuring a stable and level foundation. Ancient engineers used precise leveling techniques, including water-based methods, to achieve remarkable accuracy across the base. The massive limestone stones were quarried several kilometers away and transported to the site using wooden sledges and human coordination. Every step of the process reflected extraordinary planning and effort, setting the stage for one of history's most iconic monuments. After the massive stones were transported to the construction site, each block was carefully placed in its exact position. Ancient engineers conducted precise measurements at every stage, ensuring perfect alignment and stability. Their knowledge of mathematics and geometry played a crucial role, allowing them to plan the placement of each stone with remarkable accuracy. Every block's exact location and size were recorded and accounted for during construction, ensuring that the pyramid rose in perfect symmetry, layer by layer, culminating in the monumental structure we see today. After the base layer of stones was meticulously measured, planned, and placed, construction moved to the second layer. Every block's size, position, and sequence was carefully calculated and cross-checked before placement. Building the second layer was more challenging than the base due to increased height and slope, yet the workers' ambition and skill drove them to overcome these difficulties. Each layer rose systematically, stone by stone, with precise measurements and mathematical planning ensuring perfect alignment and stability, setting the foundation for the monumental structure above. After completing the second layer, construction progressed to the third and fourth layers, and gradually, the pyramid began rising dramatically from the ground. As the height increased, the effort required grew exponentially, moving heavier stones to greater heights, maintaining precise alignment, and coordinating hundreds of workers became increasingly challenging. Yet, the ancient builders' determination never wavered. Each layer was carefully measured, planned, and placed, with mathematics, skill, and teamwork, ensuring the pyramid continued its flawless ascent toward the sky. To move the massive stones higher, the builders constructed large wooden slides along each side of the pyramid. These slides allowed the workers to transport enormous limestone blocks upward with relative efficiency. As the pyramid's height increased, so did the number of workers, each carefully coordinated to push, pull, and guide the stones along the inclined surfaces. Every stone was placed with meticulous measurement and planning, ensuring alignment and stability. The combination of human strength, teamwork, and ingenuity allowed the pyramid to steadily rise, layer by layer, toward its monumental peak. As the pyramid grew taller, moving the massive stones above 100 meters became extremely difficult. Yet the workers' belief, determination, and ambition were stronger than any obstacle. Through coordinated effort, ingenuity, and sheer perseverance, they managed to transport stones to heights exceeding 150 meters. Finally, after years of meticulous planning, measurement, and labor, the last stone, the capstone, was carefully placed at the very top of the Great Pyramid at a height of 146.6 meters, completing this extraordinary monument that has stood for over 4,500 years. The construction of the Great Pyramid was highly praised by Pharaoh Khufu for its grandeur and precision. After his death, the pyramid became his eternal burial place, preserving his legacy and symbolizing his power, vision, and lasting influence over Egypt.